Instabid is the fast, scalable bidding engine. If you need anyone on the internet or on an app or service to bid on a product, you can use Instabid. First, go to instabid.io and click Try It Now. Then the first task is to log in. Once you're inside your account, you can simply create what's called an exchange and a product. So let's create an exchange test and a product, test product. Now, any user can trade and bid on this product called test product using either the provided UIs or the API. Let's try using the provided UI. I place one bid at a price of $10 on this test product. Hit trade, and instantaneously it appears. If somebody different was to put another bid for 2 at $10, then the system would automatically sum the bids to show 3 at $10. This works similarly on the other side. If someone puts a bid for 4 units at $11, they will appear here. Behind Instabid, there is a fast, scalable matching engine that will match prices. For example, let's buy 1 unit at $12. So this is as maximum of up to $12. So it should match with our $11 here and remove 1 lot from that 4. Let's do it. Indeed, this has matched. You can then look all the orders that were passed and see that this was completely filled, and this 4 lot here has 1 lot that's been filled. And then you can look at the fills, and here you can see indeed that 1 lot was filled at $11, with the buyer and the seller being the same person. You can use the API to do so. In this case, you can place an order to buy 1 lot at $6. Let's do it. We just have to open a terminal. And proceed with this information. Buy 1 lot at 6. Here, it should appear as a 1 at 6 below this line. And there we go. You can also cancel orders by simply providing a curl on https api.instabid.io/cancel with the exchange and the order number, which is provided as a result of pushing an order. And that will cancel the order. That's it.